In the beginning of things, when mankind started to populate the earth, the man Gikuyu, the founder of the tribe, was called by the Mogai, the divider of the universe, and was given as his share the land with the ravines, the rivers, the forests, the game, and all the gifts that the Lord of Nature bestowed on mankind. At the same time, Mogai made a big mountain, which he called Kirinyaga, as his resting place when on inspection tour and as a sign of his wonders.
It is probable that Kirinyaga, or Mount Kenya, wasn't seen by a white man until the middle of the 19th century. This part of the world was one of the last to be discovered by Europe. Even the slave trade had left it fairly undisturbed. On the sweeping highland plains, great nomadic tribes lived with their herds. In the fertile hills, the planters reclaimed the land. Different peoples lived side by side, now in contact, now in isolation, now in conflict, now in cooperation.
We believed that Kenya was our country, and we had the right to rule ourselves and not to be ruled by foreigners. And we believed that the white settlement in the highlands, which was set aside exclusively for the white settlers, was our own land.
Bari anyakero nyageni Urulioyo no makoi magwo na iwe zakamukagerako ikoyo twaeo wiathi Urulioyo witu wandwairo Ngai ni atũrathimĩire na kiuga tũtikoimagwo.
As far as the Kikuyus are concerned, all I can say is that they can make a choice. They can make a choice to be slaves in their own country, or they can make a choice to make themselves strong, to empower themselves, to reclaim the positive aspects. I want to repeat that, the positive aspects of their culture, and not to be apologetic about the positive aspects of their culture, because that's what will make them strong. That's what will help them to liberate themselves, both politically and economically.
So many problems we are seeing today. Even we see in a family, people are never together. For instance, we as Thais have a very nice verse that we read from the Bible, and that is Matthew chapter 10, from verses 34. We are being told that Jesus Christ did not to bring peace on earth. He came to bring a sword. He came to separate a mother and a son, a mother and a daughter, a father and a son, a people with his own people. You see, why? But it's very important if all people should go back to their traditions, if all people should go back to their customs, I don't think we would have many problems with the people. People would be one. People would correlate together. People would understand each other. You see, we should not have neglected our traditions and beliefs. I don't fight education. I don't fight development. I don't fight advancement. But what I'm fighting for, we should maintain our culture.
West our central continent, Africa.
Now we are bringing them, reviving, because what we are doing is we are reviving and revamping and invigorating our cultures. Is to awaken people from spiritual slumber People are here and you can see them, but spiritually they are all slaves, confused, you see. And this is a result of being uprooted from their cultures and their traditions. And they are